Good morning, everybody. My apologies. This is the second attempt at my video for this week. I apologize. There was no volume on my previous video. So essentially this week what we're going to talk about is the fact that next week the first few presenters start on their case presentation. So I want to kind of go over it if you would, so everybody's kind of clear on what the expectations are. So there are two parts to this assignment. The first is there's a role play video, and the second is a written case summary. So in your role play video, just a couple of things, guys. Make sure you're not actually putting the true client in the video, and that, everyone in the videos are 18 and over. So you're going to do a 2 or 3 minute videotaped introduction, followed by a 5 or 10 minute segment of your work with the client. That's the role play. And it should include specific interventions and things that you've done with the client. The camera should be focused on you throughout the role play, and names and things like that should be omitted, so that to protect their privacy. And hopefully, I know everyone has taken the test for the video testing, so please. I think there's one person that had problems that couldn't get on to where you're supposed to share your videos. So please, if you've had an issue, you need to address the issues with the support team, computer support team, so that you can then get on there. And then this is the rubric for the video grading, how it works. So make sure that you're touching each one of these points so that you can get the 10 points for the case video. And then if you go down here to the summary, it lays out very specifically what it wants you to discuss in the written summary. Please, guys, make sure it's not more than 3 to 5 pages long, and that you're hitting all of the points, all 9 of them, okay? And then this is the grading rubric for that paper. And it's a possible 20 points. So this project together is a possible 30 points. I want everybody to be able to get to 30 points. If you're having problems with the video piece of it, you're going to have to call the personal support center, okay? As of today, I've finished grading everything that's been submitted so far. I think you guys are doing great. I love that everybody's showing some really good growth in their skill sets. I read a lot of the reflections, and they were really, really good. So keep up the good work, and please, if you have any questions about this presentation process, please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. The other thing is, I just want to show you, hold on, if we go, so who's up first, right? So next week for week 5, we will go to the announcement section. Bear with me. And this is, we'll show, for week 5, it's Stephanie Marcus Torres, Nick Penna, and Charity Mitchell. You all have the pleasure of going first. Week 6, it's Melissa, Najeen, and Kristen, not Kristen. Sorry, Kristen. Nishay, Brian, and Deborah are week 7. We skip week 8, and then week 9 is Greg, Shonda, and Darlene, and week 10 is Tahira and Jalissa. I basically just went down how I got assigned the list, how my class roster came in, guys. So there was really no rhyme or reason to this. So I hope that was I figured that was the fairest way to do it. But again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Alrighty? Thanks, and everybody have a great week.